How to fix Notion cannot export data. To fix the cannot export data error in Notion, you have to try switching from the desktop application to a web browser. So first of all, launch any web browser of your choice on your desktop, then head to the official website of Notion. Once you're there, all you have to do is now, instead of running a macro, export all workspace content action, you simply have to navigate to the individual high-level pages or databases and export them piece by piece. When the configuration window appears, change include content from everything to no files or images to aggressively shrink the export file package size. Now repair failing zip extractions and also try unlocking the hidden or disabled export buttons. You simply have to check the workspace permissions and make sure that you must be explicitly assigned full access on the page properties to run any file extractions. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.